Bonjour, bonjour les amis, j'espère que vous allez bien. Donc today I'm again going to talk to you in English and I want to show you another very big website in France. So if you are coming to France, this is very important for you. It's called Le Bon Coin. Le Bon Coin. Here you have the name. Le Bon Coin. Le Bon Coin means the good corner. Le bon, the good, coin, corner. Okay. So first, what you find here, the first thing that you find here, you can click on here, which is déposer une annonce. So you want to submit something, you can put it here, and you can select some announcement. Okay. So anything with some photos. And Le Bon Coin, first of all, you need to know what is Le Bon Coin. Le Bon Coin is a website where people can sell or exchange things or do anything that they want, you know. So it's very interesting because it's something that is between particuliers. There's some professional people, some people on Le Bon Coin are professional, but some people are private individuals like me and you. Of course, you have to be very careful because you have many scammers on Le Bon Coin. You have all kinds of scammers on Le Bon Coin. So here, first of all, you have the map of France, la carte de France, and on the right here, all the names of the départements. Okay, les régions. So les régions. Les régions is bigger than département. Okay, so first of all, what you need to think is and here the other thing is the other part. I think everything that you can find. So they classify emploi, job, véhicule means the car, any kind of car, vehicles, you know. Immobilier. Immobilier is the real estate. But let me turn on the light here. Maybe the other one. It's better like this. Okay, immobilier. Vacances, holidays. Maison, house. Mode, it means fashion. Multimédia, loisirs, leisure, matériel professionnel, professional equipment, services, autres, others, okay? So you have all kind of categories and you can search for anything. You know, the other day I told you about buying a house. So it means immobilier. And I showed you the biggest website to buy the house, okay, seloger.com. But this in Le Bon Coin is also very interesting. So let's look at the house in Le Bon Coin. Why? So vente immobilier, vente immobilière. Vente immobilière, okay? Vente immobilière. So here you have vente immobilière. But I looked for the whole of France, toute la France. We'll look here. Offre, demande, offre. Vente immobilière. What are we going to, here you can see, vente immobilière, this is what are you looking for. Donc, immobilier neuf can be new. Location, it means to rent out. Colocation, it means to live with someone. Colocation, live with someone. Bureau et commerce, office and commerce, you know, a commercial place. Vente immobilière, we'll leave it. Let's say we don't want to be in the whole of France. We're just going to look like last time. We're looking at Finistère, which is in Bretagne, Brittany, okay, Finistère. Or if you don't want such a big space, you can just say, for instance, the city of Brest. Brest is a city in Bretagne. Okay, so let's only look at this, Brest. Okay, so we are only going to look at this city. And then you can look at the price, the number of room, the prix, the number of room, the surface, and what kind of things you want to buy. Do you want to buy a house? Do you want to buy an apartment? Do you want to buy a terrain, a land, a parking place, or others? We're just going to click on house, okay? And then we are going to search. Rechercher. And here you can see something very important, very important. When you search, you say 583 annonces. 583 annonces. But what they write is particulier 47. Means 47 of these annonces are made by particulier, individual, private people, and 536 are posted by professional. Of course, you don't want to buy the house from the professional because the professional is just the go-between. So it's going to take his own margin. Usually for the real estate agent, he will take about 8%. Sometimes it can go up to 15% of the whole price. 15%. So that's a lot of money. So the best is to find your home at particulier. So if you know exactly where you want, for instance, I want the house in Brest, okay, you can simply go there and look for particulier. On the other website that I showed you, seloger.com, there will not be any ads from private individuals. Here it's just private people that say, okay, I'm going to sell my house, but I can make a little bit more money. I don't want to give it to some agency that will take their margin. I want to sell it by myself. I can make a little bit more for myself, and then the buyers can also make a little bit more. So go directly. Huh? We don't need any intermediaries. We don't need anyone to take care of us. Huh? We can go directly. So let's look at this. Here, three, les plus récentes, the most recent one. Okay. We can look prix croissant, the cheapest one. Okay, let's look at prix croissant. See, 93,000. Okay. Then of course here you don't have so many criteria. You cannot see the space, how big the land is. It's not like seloger.com. It's not very detailed, so it's a bit annoying. And then it has to be very focused. You cannot look for the whole of France, otherwise you'll be like looking. It's difficult. Huh? But okay, you can have a look at the photo a little bit, and if there is something that you like this one looks very nice, so I will check it. Or is this one you can see from outside? 170,000, 169. Okay. One thing that I didn't mention last time is, of course, when they will put the price 180,000, 170,000, then you can always negotiate a lot and make the price go down a lot. 20,000, yes, you need to bargain a lot. You need to give a very low price. So you can really go down on the price. So here you can see the photos. Well, it looks nice. But I have a little bit some issue with the photos here because they don't show you the outside. So I don't like it so much. And it seems the windows are quite small. But otherwise, yeah, it's okay. Huh? Yeah, it's okay. Something that I forgot to mention about when you're looking for real estate, you need to be careful of the photos. Because many of especially the real estate agent, what they do, they use the zoom. They use the wide lens to take the photos. So whenever you look at the photos, you thought, wow, it looks so big. Wow, it's so high. And in fact, it's very small. It's not high. Your head will be touching the ceiling, you know. The room will be very small. And then they will make it very bright. So they will change the photos and they will make the photos very bright. So you say, wow, there's a lot of light. And when you go there and you visit and you feel like, what is this? My God, everything is ugly. It's too small. The room is too small, and then it's very dark. Okay, here they describe a little bit. Okay, someone who is selling his own house. Well, it seems to be okay. Huh? Seems to be okay. Voilà, so that's just to give you an idea. Let's go back to the main page of Le Bon Coin. Okay, and this time we are looking next to Paris here, on this place, Île-de-France, the region. Okay, and now we are not going at toute category, or we can look at anything we want. What do you want to look at? Maybe I want to buy a motorbike. Okay, motorbike. So here is the same. Motorbike, you have the price, the number of kilometers. So I want to buy a motorbike, but I want to have a motorbike that's only, the maximum will be 10,000 kilometers. Okay, let's have a look. And I don't want any professional. You need to be very careful, of course. If you buy a car or a motorbike, you buy from the professionals, you have some kind of guarantee because it's a parking place, you have guarantee. If you buy from individual people, you don't have so much guarantee, so you need to be very careful. Either you know a little bit mechanics, you are able to check, either you need to, maybe it's a bit risky, I wouldn't do it. There is a lot of scam, a lot of cheaters, okay? Let's look, les plus prix croissants. Price going up. Okay, well, you see, even some of them they put one, but it's not true. So why do they put one? If I check on it, one. Why would they put this? €1. À vendre. Demandez-moi. When they put €1, it's very suspicious. Of course, they put €1 because they want to attract you first, so that you will be able to. Or maybe it has been stolen. Maybe it has been stolen. Or maybe they just want to attract you, but you have to be a little bit suspicious. Huh? If they put €1, don't be a fool, you know. Or they also do it to attract you, so you will be there and they will be on the first page, and you'll find their advertisement on the first page, you know. But you have to be careful. Okay, so they always put €1, so let's put a minimum price, pre-minimum, so we don't want to be fools, €1,000, okay, €1,000 for a scooter, okay, so here is one, I don't like this, which one do we have? Honda, this, no, this one, it's not bad, Piaggio, let's have a look at this one, okay, Fontenay-sous-Bois, then you can look where he sells it, huh? I know it's kind of stupid, but you know, in France you have many ghettos, so poor district. So if you know if it's the west of Paris, it's a good district, it's less likely that the people will try to cheat you. If someone in a wealthy neighborhood, okay, he just wants to sell his e-bike, you know. This guy, Fontenay-sous-Bois, is a good place. It's a good place. It's not a ghetto, it's a good place. So I would trust it, you know. And then what they say here, entretien, stationné dans un garage, so he parked inside the parking place, you say, frais récents, support moteur, amortisseur, joint, échappement, peu avant. So it seems to be good, you know, when you see this, you feel like, wow, it seems to be good. And how many kilometers? You say, it's one from 2008, one, I think you have to ask him why do you sell it, but it seems to be good, you know, This one I will probably take the bet and buy it, you know. Maybe I will do it, but I have no idea about the. Okay, so just to show you, we don't have the time to see all the categories. Also service, loisir, leisure, so you can buy some DVD, books, animals, bike, sport, hobbies, musical instrument, games, wine. You know, for the house you can buy all the furniture, decoration, for the garden, everything for the garden is a very good deal, you know. If you don't care, it doesn't have to be new. You can buy from here. You can make the very good deals. Why? Because many people, I don't garden anymore. I hurt my back, or I have this, I have that. You know the price, you can find, you know. Professional equipment, you can find. A lot has been stolen. Of course, but you can get it. Or some of it is because some companies went bankrupt, so you can buy this at a very cheap price. Medical instrument, agricultural equipment, you know. The fashion, I'm not sure. Fashion is like clothes, shoes, watch. You need to be careful there. But for the baby, for instance, clothes for babies, they say. Holidays can be good, but you have to be very careful also because they will show you nice photos, but in fact it's not true. A lot of scam. So hotel, camping, rent out someplace. Hébergement insolite. Let's have a look at this. Hébergement insolite means the unusual place to sleep, to stay. So let's have a look in Paris. Hébergement insolite. There are only there's only the scammers, I think. Moulin du Moyen Âge. So this is interesting. Moulin du Moyen Âge. It means the Middle Age meal, you know, from the Middle Age. And they say only €15. Wow, looks nice, huh? Wow, look at this. This looks okay, huh? In the room is €40, and in the dormitory is €15. You know. And here it has the date, so you can see 2021st. Huh? Cette propriété, un ancien moulin, it's a former. It's okay. Huh? Yeah, during the weekend, it's much more expensive. €975. You know? So it depends, and they can do everything for you. You can sleep there. It can be for the reception. It's nice. Really looks nice, you know. I tell you, I'm going around in this kind of place for sure, you know, and I will show you. Look, this is if you live in the big room, it's like this. It's a whole house, you know, a whole house. And we in France, we are very lucky. Who knows for how long? We still have this kind of old buildings. This part of the history. So if you have the chance to go there, it's like wow, you know. Okay, well, let me leave you for now. Don't forget, give me a thumbs up if you like the video. Don't forget to give thumbs up and share. And if you can also support me on Patreon. It really helps me a lot. I will provide more videos, especially for French teaching. So always French language, living in France, knowledge related to life in France, maybe websites, things that are interesting for you. À bientôt les amis, je vous aime, take care.